Welcome, everybody. My name is Joe Cena. I'm the Executive Director of the Glendora Chamber of Commerce, and I welcome you today to this edition of how to use the new Chamber tools on the website. And what we're going to go over today is basically how you get your username and password, what are the new tools that we have, and how to use them. So to start off, this is our homepage, of course. And at this point, it doesn't look different because we haven't changed the design of the homepage yet. We just changed kind of the background. A redesign of the page is in process, so should be done here shortly. But for now, we have it like this. But there's a couple of new things. One, you see right here, directory search. You can simply go here, whoever's visiting the site, and let's say you want to look up colleges. So you can just start to type college, and you see a drop down pops up. You can click on a category, and then the two colleges show up that are around town here. Or you can go back into a specific company name. Like let's say America's Christian Credit. You want to find that one. Start typing America, and then you click it, and there you go. So it's a quick, right on the home page directory search tool right at the top. Or go up here to membership, and when you hover over that, the drop down comes down, click membership directory, and then a more in-depth by category page comes up. You can do the same search here, type college again, pops down, or you can go down here, and if you're looking for, let's say, automotive and marine, automotive service and repair, you click that, and then all the chamber members that are automotive repair professionals come up. Now I'll show you why some have logos and some don't. I'll show you the difference here in a few moments, but that's basically how you would do a search and where the directory is. So either right on the home page here or up top here. Now, on this side, for chamber members to log in to use this tool, after getting your password, which if you already have your username, which in most cases is your email, you should have received an email from us stating that you were invited to take part in this tool, and give you a link. You click on that, and it may ask you to put in a password of your choice. And then you are registered. If you have not received that and want one, or lost the email, please give us a call or email us, and we will shoot that right over to you. So, and then once you have that username and password, you go to the home page and you just click here, and this page comes up. You might want to save this page. You can kind of keep it as a shortcut, because this is where you're going to log in to use all the tools. Okay, so you just put your username and password here, and you press submit, or you can even connect with either your Google Plus, Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. But for now, put in your username and password. If you forgot your username or password, you can click here and you ask some questions. So once you put that information there, you click submit, and then you won't see that, you'll see this page right here. So once you're in the back office, this is a test unit that I've put together. So it's not the chamber page, it's just for these presentations. This is another web page, but it's basically the back office of the chamber's website. So at this point, what you would see here is along the top are the different boxes. You can click in to view things, to update reports, resources, that type of stuff. And then you have similar boxes here on the left, which we'll go over all those in a bit. Right here is just kind of a welcome message, kind of what you can do with this. You could use this kind of as a like a Facebook page even. We can post things, post pictures, links, because everyone who every member that logs in here, this is the first thing that they see. So if there's a message you want everybody to see, you can put that right here. And then also on this side, you see all the events again. Like for the webinar today, you could log in, register here. You just click that, box comes up. You can register for that event that you want to, um, which it'll show upcoming. You can click here and it'll go to more events. But this shows how far along your profile is completed. You can promote your business, which I can show you that in a few minutes. Refer other businesses to the chamber. We'll go over that later also. So let's say you want to click on directory right up here. And this is basically, you can search the directory, but from the inside, because there are different buttons within, which I'll show you, where you can share information publicly or just with other members. Like, let's say you don't want your cell phone number on the website for the public, but you don't mind if other chamber members had your cell phone number. There's radio buttons in the directory settings pages that I will show you that you can click. You want it everywhere, you want it just in the member section, or you want it in the public section. So this is just a directory with everything. So once you're logged in, you can view the directory that way. Events, it'll show different events you can register for, that type of stuff. And then resources, there's nothing here yet because we haven't put anything in there yet. There's a lot of different modules for this program that they're not all up yet, so but more to follow. This next one, reports, kind of shows what's been going on with this page, which not much because it's not a real page. It's just for testing. News. This is where you could start to promote your business. So I'm going to use this part, then we'll go into how to change your directory page. But since we're on this tab, if you clicked on news, there's different things you can do. This is the community content. This is what is on our website, because when you post something here, it will be in several different places. It'll be posted on the chamber website. It will be on the iShopGlendora.com website, and it will also be pushed to the mobile app, the iShop Glendora mobile app, which, if you do not know, is available on the Apple Store and the Google Play Store. So let's say you have a special that you want to promote. You have a sale at your store or a coupon or some type of thing. You got hot deals. Now from here, you want to click View All, and it'll show the few things that are here as of now. Then let's say you want to add one. You just go up to this section here, click Add Hot Deal, and fill in the blanks. Title, tagline, categories. You can put the details here. You can use HTML if you know that. Put links to websites, that type of stuff. And then down here, a short description. So you want to do your full description and everything up here. You can do a short description, so when it's in that list mode, it has some text there. When the offer start date is, when the offer ends, a logo, and then your contact information, website, phone number, and then when you want it published. Okay, so the start and end date is different than the published date. Published date is when you will see it on the website. So you want it to start now, you want it to end in a week, 2 weeks, a month, a year, doesn't matter. Whenever you want to, whatever end date there that your special is up for, just put that information there. If you're done with it, click Save as Draft. Or sorry, if you're not done with it, but you want to work on it later, but you can't do it now, save as a draft. If you're finished and want it to be put on the website, click Submit for Approval. We get notified, and we approve it. We just these don't go directly on the website. They go through a review here first, and then we put them up. So that's hot deals. Let's say you want to have just a member to member deal. You want an extra special deal for chamber members only. Then that you would click here, and then as you see, Security Public Storage has one here. You can add member to member deal here. Same thing, fill in the information, start and end date, logos, that type of stuff. Press submit for approval or cancel, as I did there. If you already had a member to member deal, like in hot deals, it said add or manage, it would have managed there, and you could change them and stuff. So that's member to member deals. There's also one that I'm going to release here soon called Marketplace. This is still kind of, it's a sale place, but this is where even if, like for realtors, they have I mean, they can do that here on this also, but Marketplace is if like a realtor has a home that they have listed or for rent or such and such, they can post that there, pictures and all that type of stuff, and it puts that into the Marketplace, which is a totally different page on the website. So far that's hot deals and member to member. Next one, news releases. This is your blog, basically. This has replaced the iShop Glendora blog. Now this page of these news releases is on the iShop site, just like the iShop blog was. But this, so there's only one login. You don't have to log into iShop, do a blog, and then log into this, do everything else. Just one login. You do your news release. So you can see here some of the releases that are already there. And up here you can add your new release, or if you have a release already, you click manage. So if you wanted to add one, just like hot deals and member to member, it's very simple. Put in your title, display, release dates, publish start date, end date, what you want to write about here. You can put images in and everything. Click on the categories, if it's a community, fun facts, and an event or something. You put your logo here and then your contact information. So, I would put me as my information there. So that would be for news release. Then as it was here, you save, cancel, or submit for approval. I'm going to cancel because I'm not going to save it. And then next one, next couple, job postings. Do you have a job you want to post? Again, add or manage, fill in the information, save as a draft, or submit for approval. Very simple. It's just filling in the blanks, basically. Okay. Pretty straightforward. But like I said at the beginning of this, if there are any questions, have any issues with it, just give me a call or Michelle, and we will get you on track. So that's hot deals, member to member deals, news releases, job postings, social feed. This is the homepage again. Just kind of shows this is the social feed. If you want to do a message for something, like I could put doing a webinar right now. Let me see if I can spell this right. Oops. Oh wait, that was right. You're doing a webinar right now. Share update, and it's shows my picture doing a webinar right now. So so that's all of these over here. As going from this, basically the same thing. So if we go back to home and you want to go, instead of going over to news and then doing it, you can go right to member to member deals, click on that and do the same thing. So, and up here on this side you have apps. There isn't anything there yet. That'll come later on. We're kind of doing this in pieces, so it's not an overabundance of stuff to learn at one time. Then the most important thing, which this is probably the first thing you do before you do any of the news releases and everything, because you want your directory page to be complete. Okay. But you want to click on settings. Now what I can show you before going into that, let me go back to the directory. Okay, with the directory, and let's say we click on computer repair, and then let's click on X engineers. Okay. Now you have X engineers. This is the basic um, display, or the basic page, which there can still be some more stuff added, but this is what everybody gets. You can put more text here and stuff, but you have the categories, company name, a link to the website, a link to email X engineers, address, phone numbers, fax, whatever you want on there, description and such. Then you got a rep tab, which shows the owner's name, and then email. So it's all the basic information. And one good thing to help with spam, no one poaching off the website, people do that. When you request information, it's a form with a CAPTCHA there. So your email is not shown. So it's protected a bit. Then as you see over here, you can easily print this page to give it to somebody. If you want to email it to somebody, or you can even text it. If you clicked on text, you want to do a text message, you put your phone number, their phone number, their carrier, and then press send. Very simple. There's other tabs I'll show you that can be added here when you go in and modify your profile. Now, let's look at, before going in on all this stuff, let's look at the other version of a directory page. There's an enhanced listing, where this is where a member could have more stuff on their page. Every chamber member gets the basic listing, no additional charge. There's a lot of stuff you can put on it, all the news releases and all that kind of stuff, descriptions, logos, all that type of stuff. But let's say you want an enhanced listing, which the enhanced listings, those would be, there'd be a lot more on them because they're enhanced. You get more text available for your description, more pictures are available, a YouTube video links, and a number of other things I can show you. Let's look at APU, for example, so I know theirs is complete. If you clicked on APU, as you see here, there's logo here, which everybody can put a logo here, but they have the logo there. There's a short description here, but then you click on about, it's a longer description. You get more text available to you. Highlights, you can put different bullet points. So these are just hyperlinks right to one of their pages on history, academics. Media, this is where they put a YouTube video link, and then you can also put a photo slideshow also. It's not on here, but you could do that with the enhanced link. Reps, you can have reps here, and you can have multiple reps listed however you want. And I'll show you in a minute where you can put a rep on your profile and have them shown and have them not shown. It's totally up to you or whoever's managing your page. So you see here, the enhanced listing has more bells and whistles too. You have the hyperlinks, the media, it also kind of pictures, and then a number of other things. So this here would be the enhanced one. But the enhanced, there is a upcharge or an additional charge of $75 per year. So just 75 bucks, and you get a lot more traction, a lot more bells and whistles. Another good thing about it is, let's look at automotive, for example. You have an enhanced listing and you're an automotive, like Glendora Tire and Brake. They're a President's Circle member here, so they have the enhanced listing. They are, this is supposed to be in alphabetical order, and you see they're on top. So if you have an enhanced listing and there's 30 people in your category, you would be on top even if your company started with the letter Z. So that's another benefit to it. Your logo is shown and you're on top. Even if you should be down on number 22, you're on top. Okay. And also you get a map. So you get the map listing, so it'll show you right where you're at and that. So, about, rep, map, and all that fun stuff. So the enhanced listing, just $75 more, gets you a lot more tools. Even though the basic one is great, it's SEO ready, Google searched and all that type of stuff. But if you want more, you want to stand out from the rest in your group and from the entire chamber, really, because if we went to the entire list, all the featured ones are up top, and then all the basic ones are below it. So if you want that, just let us know. There's buttons on your profile page that you can request that, and we can set that up. So let's get back to how to update your profile. So you're in this page. Let's go back to the home. You log in, go all the way to the right, click settings, and you go to here. Shows your profile. This is where you put all your information, whoever's putting this together. It's your profile. Are you active? Yes. Are you the primary contact? Yes or no. If you're not, then put someone in that is. And then are you the billing contact? Yes or no. When you've changed things, press Save Changes. And you can go over here. You have your username. You can change your username afterwards. You can change your password to whatever you want. You can update it and such. Photos. This is where the basic membership, or the basic product here. You get one image. You get your logo, like I have. You see it up here. I just used my Rotary logo there. So that you get one of those. The enhanced, you get a lot more of them. So, but the basic package, you get your logo. So at least when someone's on your site, they see your logo, your brand, which is very important. You want to make sure your logo, or if you're in a type of business where you're the brand, you want your picture there, type of thing. So put that in. Groups and interests. Right now this isn't open. This is where we'll have, if you want to be an ambassador, you want to be a different committee, you can click on it, and whenever an email is sent out to that committee, you get that information. So, and we know that you're interested in being on different committees. So you have that. Social networks. This is where you put your LinkedIn address and your Facebook page address. So make sure you fill those out. So, because all these links and this page, when it's full, has all your content in it, it helps your search engine optimization to your site. Have all your links here go push to your site. The more of those you have, the better. So make sure you fill all these in. And when you're done, like I said, click Save Changes. Display preferences. This is what I mentioned earlier, where let's say you want all my information to be displayed for both, and you say, well, yeah, on that, but let's on the public, okay, I want my name, my job title, my email, my phone, but not my cell phone. I'll have my fax and my social media. On the now this is your profile one. For members on the inside, I want my name, job title, email, work phone. I'll let them see my cell, fax, social, and my address. I want everybody on the inside to see everything. So then you're done. You click Save Changes, and that's all set. So you'll get the successful save there. Linked accounts. This is where you can link. Say you want to log into this with your Facebook account. You can do that. So that would take care of your personal profile. So you can log in, all your information and such. Then you want to go to your company. Now this is show again, okay, what's missing. Show you, okay, this one overall is 45% complete because there's stuff missing, as you see here. So organization information, this is where you put your company name, your primary phone, alternate, your email, fax, and website. Please make sure you have that. Your address. Now also look here, you see on the physical address, mailing address. If they're the same, just fill out the physical address and click here, and it'll use that. But for those that, let's say you have a physical address, but you get your mail at a PO box. Put your physical address there. Put your PO box stuff over here. It'll be set. Or you have a, let's say you have an office in Glendora, but your corporate or maybe your billing goes or your mail goes is somewhere else. So you put your Glendora address here and your corporate over here. So any mail goes there, or however you have it, it's up to you. So, and then here you use this contact info on your public member page. So this just, shows that. Then you can complete this, establish date, how many employees, the billing contact, and then right here, do you want your any bills printed and mailed to you, email, or both? It just lets us know. And when you're done, click Save Changes. And you go to the next one, Employees. This is where you can put all your reps or people you want to have access to this program. This one right now, I just have me, but let's say I want to add someone else. This is the member is that, and let's say I want to put see Joe Smith, okay, contact preference email, the work phone, let's say here at the chamber, 4128, home phone, I don't know his home phone, cell phone number, put that there, and all that's, login access. Do you want me to, does you want, let's see, let's do, this one there. You want this person to have login access to your account. Let's say it's your marketing rep. You want login access, but you want the marketing rep to do it. So then you can click that there. And when you click save, it will send an invitation sent to Joseph Cena. I'm going to cancel because I don't want it to send, but it would say sending it okay, and it sends your new rep the invitation so they can now log in. So that's how you add a user. So you can keep adding them, and then what you would see is going back here. If there were multiple users, let's go back here. Rep information. You would have the one, then you'd have another one and another one. If you had 8 of them, then you just keep going. So that's where you would see it. Okay. Now, website information. You can use organization information, what you put in up here, or let's say you had that there, but you wanted some different information, or a different website, or something, a different email. Let's say for the website you used an info at, so let's say, the website that the public website you want it to be, info at your website, okay? And let's say that's, and you had a company, your other one is your personal, LinkedIn, but you want to put the company one here. And then also this is where you put in the description. The basic description's 200 characters. The enhanced is 1600 characters. So you get a lot more characters available in the enhanced version. Hours of operation, you put those there. Driving directions, you could, driving directions to your location. And then this here, keywords, very important for search engine optimization. You want to put the keywords in and enter a space between each word, which if someone was doing a search on Google for your business, what would they use? If you were a hairstylist in Glendora, maybe you wanted to use hairstylist Glendora or Glendora hairstylist, Glendora colorist, or Glendora beautician, or if you're a realtor, Glendora realtor, cool realtor, whatever keywords you want to use. The basic one, you have up to 240 characters. The enhanced one, unlimited. So another benefit of being the enhanced for $75. It's, pretty cheap for all the tools that you get. And we move on. Logo. This is where you put your logo, and you put your member page header. So this is where when someone's in the back office, they go on your page, there'll be a header there. Photos, you can upgrade. Those aren't available in the basic one. If you want to request this. I'm going to do this in a new, you click that and you open it, and this is where it goes right to, you pay $75 and you're done. And then we turn it on and you're all set. Video, same thing. You click there and you get the video option. But I mean, you just have to click on it once, you get both. You don't have to do every one of them. So once you're enhanced, you get everything. Everything opens up and you're off and running. The map here, this is, you could set this here. It'll only be seen on the inside, but with the enhanced, you see it on the main public page too. So another benefit of having the enhanced membership or the enhanced directory page. Membership badge. This is where, which I would always recommend. When I was a chamber member here, before working at the chamber, I had a member badge on my website, which the several sites that I have are still out there, and they have chamber logos all over them. Because you put a chamber logo on your website, people go to it. There's a psychological advantage to that, and it means you're part of the community. You've put effort towards being part of the community. You've paid into it. You've either donated time, and you stand up above the rest. So use this. It would have your company name here, proud member of, and the logo. And what it does is you click generate, and then you get this code. And then if you do your own website, then you copy this, paste it on your website, and this will show up. And when someone's on your site, they'll be able to click on it and go right to your page on the website here. So it's just another tool for you to show the public you're part of the community, you're part of the Glendora Chamber of Commerce, and a proud member of them. So that's the company part. Now billing, you click on that one. And let's say you want to make a payment. If you have an invoice, which if you had an outstanding balance when you log in the home, you'll see it on the top right where it says your outstanding balance of, for an event, or let's say your membership dues or something, that would have there. But with this one, I don't have any payments. Transaction history would show your transaction history. At this point, it would show your transaction history of past invoices. They've been invoiced, paid for your records. Let's say you wanted a copy of a receipt or something, it would be here. Shopping cart, this is, if you're paying an invoice and you see all the things in your shopping cart, which this one will be empty because I didn't buy anything. So, so that's billing. Basically, that's it. So to kind of go over this side part, once you get to settings, you have your personal profile where this is just you setting it all up. Company, you fill in all the company information. Any users, the employees, you can put whoever you want in there. The owner, your marketing rep, your sales reps, whoever you want. Billing again, and make payments and such. And that's how you would set all that up. So kind of go back to the home. If you did have a balance, you would see that right here. It'd be on top. And again, upcoming events, you can register and that type of stuff. So that's how you update your page. And again, a complete page would have text here, website links, logo, address, and then let's see any other ones. Let's just go to real estate, because I know a couple people put in a lot of different reps. So see, Gary and South End Properties have the enhanced page. So you got their hours there, Facebook page. You got the video, and then you see they have a slideshow here. So you can put all their agents About the enhance has much more characters available. Highlights. See, has the um, bullet points or what they do. You can also add links to their website. For that, rep information, he just has himself, um, which could have more people there. Then map with the enhanced version, it'll show right where they're at, and it's a Google map. So, um, all their information's there. So see, this is a complete enhanced page, but and then it doesn't have to have this much, but that's just what it could do. So it's just another web page for you, and it's search engine optimized. So it's very helpful for you to be found on the internet. Okay, now once you put all that stuff in, like I said, it's here. Someone can click there, search here, click on member directory there, and they go there, and you're all over the Glendora Chamber of Commerce website. Also, here's the new advertising opportunities coming soon. There will be additional advertising available here shortly. I'm just working on the information to get that out to you. Now, if you look up here, there's different links to the different hot deals. Like, let's say you want to click hot deals and view them, they'd be there. Member to member deals, there's that one. Marketplace is the one, it's not out yet, but it's not complete, but we do have the 40% chamber discount at Dunn Edwards on that one. So, and then down here you see a lot more news releases. It'll have all the news releases that are out. The events calendar, the webinars they have going. Market job postings. If you have job posting, you can put them there. Contact us, information, brochures. You want to know the weather, or you want to join the chamber. Just click there. If you're not a member already, but you're watching this on YouTube, then you put your information there. Fill it all out as much as you can, because if you do that here, there's not much you have to do once you're inside. You pay dues there, and then you go from there. So that's where you would join. Now, like I said, once that's all in, it's on the chamber site. It's also on iShop Glendora's site. So let's go here, but before I go to the app, let me go to iShop Glendora. Okay, and maybe I should spell it right. Okay, iShop Glendora, and the page comes up like it does. Goes to a home page, kind of explains what iShop Glendora is, and then like on the Glendora Chamber page, search a directory. Like before, you want to do colleges, click there, the drop down, click it, and it goes to this one. It goes right to our chamber home page. You go back and go up here, directory, click on that. You actually stay on the iShop page, and you got the whole directory here. All the the links here for categories. And also you go up here, Chamberhood News, I call the news reports, the blog that you put on the other page, that's here. And again, the advertising that's on the chamber page would be here also. So if you did purchase one of these ads, it would be in both places. So you basically get in 2 for 1, very low cost. Calendar, again, the calendar be here also. So really, when you're doing this, you're putting your information in. It's on the chamber page, it's on the iShop page, and it's on the iShop app, which if you go on Google Play or the App Store, it will be on Amazon sometime very soon. It's just going through the review process. If you go to those, you can download the app. It's also a mobile website, so you can view it as a mobile site also. But if you do that, like if you went to m.ishopglendora.com, that's the mobile version, you will see this first, and on your phone or your your iPad or your tablet, on the very top, it'll say Get App or just continue to site. If you get the app, you download it, it's on your phone, or you can just continue as a mobile website and you'll just see what's in the phone here. And you can use it. Do it, to be chamber, Twitter page, Facebook, and such. Events. This have the shows like the mixer going on tonight at San Dimas Community Hospital. Um, all the different events coming up. Then also starting another tab, chamber events, which on this demonstration, of course, it's going to go to the website page. On your phone, it'll look like this. So, but for this example, since I'm not on a phone, it's not showing it right. But this will. Reason why there's two calendars is people wanted to know. Okay, I just want to know. I want to be able to go somewhere on my phone to see just chamber events, such as networking events, ribbon cuttings, and that, because the other calendar is the complete community calendar. Everything that we know about in Glendora is on that one. But let's say you just want to know about ribbon cuttings and networking and such, you use the chamber events button. Specials, which are here. Again, it's going up this other way. It'll show hot deals. And if you click on more, it'll just list them all. And then we're going to keep adding more things here. So there's more and more to offer you. So basically, like I said, you go in, update all your information, and it's on the chamber site, iShop site, mobile app, and more. There's more sites out there that the information is on, but those are the main ones. So your company information is getting out there to the community and beyond in multiple ways, multiple locations for one very low price. And that's the incredible value you get as being a chamber member for one, but really just to get your brand out there, And that's what we're here to do, is to help you prosper in your business, to help generate local commerce here in Glendora, and help you succeed so you're part of the chamber and part of the community for years to come. So that's it. I know I kind of went over this quite long, but basically it's just fill in the blanks. Once you get your username and login, you can't break it. You just fill in the information. Everything you do, with the exception of the directory page, if you put something on there you don't want, it's going to be up there. But there's no way to break it. So any kind of news releases and stuff, hot deals, it's just we review them, and we put them out, and we publish them for you. So this is it. If you have any other questions, please feel free to give me a call. I can go over this with you again. I can do a one-on-one webinar here with you, and to get you going. So